In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Google Calendars into a single calendar. This process is incredibly useful if you find yourself juggling several calendars and want to streamline them into one cohesive view. Whether you have a calendar for work, school, personal events, or different projects, merging them can help keep your schedule organized. Let's start by heading to Google Calendar. Once you're on the main page, you'll want to look at the top right corner for a little gear icon. That's your settings. Click this, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. You'll be taken to a new page where you'll see a menu on the left side. What you're looking for here is Import and Export. Click on that option. This is where the magic starts. Now, under the Export section, you'll see an option labeled Export. Hit that button, and what's going to happen is a zip file will immediately download to your computer. Inside this zip file are separate ICS files for each of your individual calendars. ICS files are essentially universal calendar files recognizable by most calendar applications, which makes them perfect for our task. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open the zip file. Extract all those individual ICS files. You'll need these for the next steps. After you've extracted the files, it's time to head back to your Google Calendar, but this time we're going to the calendar you want everything merged into. Back at Google Calendar, go to the gear icon again and select Settings from the drop-down. Just like before, click on Import and Export from the left-hand menu. This time under the Import section, you will see an option to select file from your computer. This is where you will upload each of those ICS files you just extracted. Select one of the ICS files you've prepared. You'll see a Add to Calendar drop-down appear. Make sure to choose the calendar you've decided to merge everything into. After choosing the correct calendar, click on Import. Simply repeat this step for each ICS file. As you do this, each new piece of information will be merged into your main calendar of choice. Once you've imported all the ICS files, congratulations! You now have a fully merged calendar that brings together all the events and appointments from your multiple calendars into one organized space. This merged calendar will make it significantly easier to manage your time, all without hopping between different views. By consolidating your calendars, you should have a clearer view of your commitments and perhaps even find some free time you didn't know you had. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you keep your appointments neatly arranged in one place. Feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips on staying organized and on top of your tasks. See you next time.